Thank you for buying this 15797 storage shelf from Fixtured Displays. There are two units in this one box. One is larger, the other is slightly smaller. The assembly is fairly straightforward. There are 4 screws on each shelf to install. And you don't have any nuts. The reason is the frames are pre-threaded on the hole. So now we're going to show you how to put this together. Make sure you use the frame, the bigger frame for the bigger unit. As you can see, there are threads on the hole. And there's the two sides of that. One side has thread, the other doesn't. So make sure you pick the side has threads to assemble. Now we have it ready. We have both of them ready. They will nest left to right. And dimensions for the larger units 11.8 long, 9.05 wide, 6.10 tall. The smaller unit is same length but 8.6 inches wide and 5.5 inches tall. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have for your home, business, and gifting needs. When not in use, you can easily slide these two units left or right so that it takes minimal amount of space. You can buy multiple sizes to create interesting displays to fit your holiday display or everyday storage needs. The entire unit weighs 3.3 pounds.